Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now I'm going to show you how to add a friend in WhatsApp. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch it till the end. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to WhatsApp. Then we open the chat room. In the top right corner, click plus. Click on New Contact. Now here we choose our region. Next we enter the cell phone number. And then at the top, we write the name of the person. I'll put it like this. Now click Save. And save this contact. After that, we were able to add a friend in WhatsApp. Now we have him, we can write a message, we can go. Please, if he's not there. We can invite him through a link. If he is, we can click and send him a message. But if you helped and liked this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Like it. Thank you all for watching. See you later. Goodbye.